So for this hairstyle, I'm going to start on freshly washed, blow-dried hair. And I'm going to start parting my hair into little sections, or medium-sized sections, I should say. And I am not the best at parting my hair, especially in the back. But I didn't really have anybody to come help me because I did this hairstyle late at night. So I am doing the best that I can. Definitely utilize the mirror, but yeah, even with the mirror, I still was girl, it's a struggle. Anyway, I part my hair into 8 sections. I have 2 in the back, 3 in the middle, and then I have 3 on the very top. And at the top, I actually opted to part my hair into triangles instead of squares. So, but yeah, it's all up to you how you want to part your hair, but I didn't do that many parts because I wanted the Bantu knots to be kind of bigger, not smaller. I feel like small wouldn't really look good on me. But yes, I'm using Let's Jam Extra Hold. It's the one that's in the yellow container. I'm using that to slick down my hair before I put it up in these little ponytails with a goodie band. And about the ponytails, you don't have to make the ponytails super tight, because you are going to crochet the hair into the ponytail, so it doesn't make sense to tighten the ponytail. And I want to do this hairstyle because it's very different from what I've done before. I got some inspiration from this YouTuber named Increase My Peace. I'll link her video down below. And this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It is the Marley hair from Janet Collection. I used 2 out of the 3 bundles in the 3 bundle pack. Anywho, so what I'm doing is I'm taking 3 strands of the Marley hair, attaching it to the crochet hook, and then I'm pulling the hair through the base of my ponytail with the crochet hook, and then I'm pulling one side of the hair through. But yeah, you know this though. Y'all have seen me do crochet like a gazillion times. I use about 6 to 8 strands per Bantu knot. And then after I get all the Marley hair crocheted into my ponytail, I then wrap my hair and the Marley hair together, and I wrap the hair into a little ponytail? Wow. A little bun, or aka the Bantu knot. And then when I am done wrapping it, I use a goodie band to secure the Bantu knot. You don't have to use a goodie band. You can honestly probably wrap it tight enough to where it will stay. Or you can use a bobby pin to secure it. I like using goodie bands. I'm afraid. That was what that face for, because I'm afraid of doing this hairstyle because I'm not sure how it's about to come out. But anyway, I like using the rubber band because you can kind of mold the Bantu knot to look how you want it to look. So that's why I like using the goodie band to secure it. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking now. I'm just going to let y'all watch me do the Bantus. Goodbye. Then after I'm done doing all the Bantus on my head, I actually use this hair that I used for my butterfly lock tutorial. I had some water wave hair left over. I'm going to take a few of the strands of the water wave hair and actually tie it around the base of the Bantus to give it that bohemian goddess look. And I ended up cutting the strands a little bit shorter, just because I was thinking this is looking a little too whimsical. So I did cut the strands pretty short just to make the hairstyle a little bit more subtle. And of course, you already know we got to slick the baby hairs down. So after I do that, I am done with this hairstyle. When y'all see the back, please don't come for me. I already told y'all I'm not good at parting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.